80, Q60, yeah. Twin tube, a V6.
No pussy test, not even a vagina. Plain engine in it, be my feet pilot. BBL kit that tick like Thailand. Just drop it, whip, tell it, roll and pipe that. 7.6 story.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing a POV. Just gonna do a quick little update on the build so far. As y'all can see, I got the new downpipe on the car. So the parts came in and I built a new downpipe. And also we have some new A-pillars and headliner to like pick up from my boy's shop. So that's what we're gonna do in the next coming videos. So make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's get this channel to 10k subs, man. And also, we are like this close to like the custom tune, man. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that video to drop. But now we're gonna hit the 95 because right now I'm going to work, so I decided to like make a little video for y'all. Damn, this morning I had to get up early to like fix a coolant leak. There's a minor coolant leak. So right now it's like kind of burning off. So right now it's kind of smelling like coolant right now. But when I'm on the 95 and everything, I'll just pick up at the camera. Yeah, we got a clean ass M5 right here, F10. Got some clean cars outside today. Damn, that turbo sounds good. Can't wait to get custom tune, man. So this shit could be running right. Check out this GS, guys. That shit low. Woo. Show car. That shit clean, man. I ain't even gonna lie. That shit clean for a show car. But for me, I would say I would probably mostly go for a IS300 more than a GS to like build it. We found another F10. But it's been pure traffic, guys. By the way, if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for the other videos to drop. I got some more content I want to drop for y'all, so y'all could see the rest of the build. And thank you guys for supporting. Make sure y'all leave a comment down below if y'all like the build so far, and sit back and watch the full video, man. Guys, if y'all don't have like a paddle shift steering wheel in your F10, y'all need to go get one ASAP, man. This shit makes such a big difference, man. You got better control over the car when you're recording. Just at like a click of a button, y'all change the gear and your hands is still on the steering wheel. And if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And when I get out the car, I'm gonna show you guys the other downpipe that I made. Also, this downpipe, I put the 202 sensors like under the bottom. So I'm gonna show you guys. Alright, so here's the new downpipe. Got the O2 sensors like under there. But we got some old oil on the turbo burning off, and some coolant because I had to like tighten the coolant feed earlier, so that's why it's like that. But if y'all like the build so far, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and peace. I'll catch y'all in the next one.